Do you need a $700 Dyson vacuum cleaner to clean out your PC? My short answer is, oh hell no. My name is cdreimer and welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell if you want to see more videos like this. A month ago I posted a reaction video on 5 of my favorite tech channels. Posted similar unboxing videos for the $700 Dyson V10 Cyclone absolute vacuum cleaner within a short time period. Since these channels share more or less the same audience, it was a collective whiskey, tango, foxtrot moment for those of us who are looking at our subscription fee that afternoon. If you haven't seen those videos, check out the card above for a playlist. If you're crazy enough to buy a $700 vacuum cleaner and support my channel at the same time, an affiliate link can be found in the description below. Reimer at Hardware Canucks made a big show of using a $700 vacuum cleaner to clean out a PC during his review video.
Another great example of using the V10, at least for me, would be by cleaning the dust filters inside my case using the crevice tool. Its narrow shape allows for consistent suction, and given the advantage of being cordless, I can quickly and easily maneuver around, and given that there are 3 suction modes, the low setting comes in really handy since it won't damage the filters. Also, this serves as an excellent tool to clean my keyboard as well, so yeah, there you have it.
Dimitri at Hardware Canucks joke about getting a Dyson after cleaning a dusty heatsink with what looked like a shop vac hose in a recent video.
Huh. Kinda wish I had a Dyson for all the dust, you know? Too soon? I'll let myself out.
Not even Dyson gives away $700 vacuum cleaners to YouTube reviewers. Why spend $700 on a Dyson vacuum cleaner when you can get this $20 Livion Mini Vacuum Cleaner from Amazon? The Mini Vacuum Cleaner can be powered by a USB to bell connector or 4 AAA batteries. I recommend using rechargeable batteries instead of the included USB cable. The USB cable will only provide 5 volts of power. 4 1.5 volt AAA batteries will provide 6 volts of power. The difference of an extra volt is a bit more seconds. This $20 Livion vacuum cleaner does the job just as well as a $700 Dyson vacuum cleaner for your PC. If you're sane enough to buy a $20 vacuum cleaner and support my channel at the same time, an affiliate link can be found in the description below. Of course, no vacuum cleaner is a cure for cleaning your PC. You will also need a can of compressed air and a microfiber cloth to clean up your PC. Let me know in the comments below on how you clean up the dust from your PC. Thank you for watching.